pencil I bought for extra. Hello everyone, I'm Keish.
I'm Allie.
And today we're doing a quick unboxing. I've actually had this thing since Wednesday and I've been waiting to open it on camera. So let's see what we got. Don't try this at home.
Those are haircut scissors, I think. I'm not sure.
No, these are for crafts. But
apparently, yeah. But
yeah, I seriously haven't opened it. I just cut this open.
That thing's been on there forever.
Yeah, it's been like 2 days and I haven't even opened it because I've been waiting.
Today's Friday.
See? Yeah, I got this like Tuesday or Wednesday. Okay, so we got trash.
Yeah, she says every single
Okay.
all the time. So, first of all, we have something which
I got the Tarte Shape Tape. I actually got this half off because I'm a Platinum Beauty member at Ulta. And that was a one-day deal, so I got that because I'm actually almost out.
She uses it like all the time.
And I got... Okay, I seen this.
What is that?
I know. It was $5. It was on sale. It's the anti-pollution foaming cleanser, but on it, it has the brush. But look at the brush, how small it is, and it's like
for me.
Rubber plastic. I don't even know. I just thought it was cool, and it was on sale, $5. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get that. You know.
But I'm gonna look at it really quick. I want to see what it is.
Okay, now these next two things are what I've been wanting to do on camera. Been wanting to do a review. Now,
what the heck?
These, oh my gosh, these are not, okay, these are magnetic lashes. And I just learned about these a couple weeks ago. And these are the Luxe Magnetic Mink Effect Lashes. This one I bought, I think it was $16.99. Let me open it real quick.
She always wears those.
It comes with a little tiny applicator, and it comes with a little case because you're supposed to be able to wear these quite a few times.
Wow. And
they're magnetic, so no glue. But also, okay, on this box it does have it. Okay, I bought this. It's for the magnetic lashes. And see in the thing, it shows that she has a lash on each clamp. We are about to test that out.
I'm not sure about this, Lonnie. Actually, if I ever wore these things, I'd probably freak out.
I wanted to see if that was true, because,
oh
my gosh.
What the?
It might be, because there's little
magnetic things inside.
Black magnetic or something in there. These I actually shouldn't. These are, kind of the smaller ones. I might not have to cut them. I think they're mostly just for the outer corners of your eyes. We're about to try this. But also, if you watch one of my last videos, you know I barely have any lashes. And I actually haven't even you're supposed to put mascara on before. They're already stuck together. That's how crazy. But it's like getting them in here.
It's hard because it's all magnetic and it can stick all together. I wonder how about that.
Upper, that's the lower. It's kind of obvious which one's the upper or lower because they'll only stick one way, but they're hard. But I don't know, the mascara is supposed to help it stick. These are hard. I was so excited for these, and these are taking up too much time. That pink thing I bought is a fake gimmick. Good little thing. See, it's like they're not on because they are not on at all. Too close, they just kind of snap together. See, fell off. I didn't even get it to my eye. I seriously cannot get these on. Like, I tried my other eye. They're freaking hard. You can't do it. Like, I mean, you can probably do it, but this takes, like, I thought it'd be faster than the lash glue lashes. Heck no. No, no, no. This would take a lot of practice because this tool I bought for extra, they barely stick to this. And when you get it to your eye and you touch your eyelashes, they completely fall off. Like, seriously. I don't even know. Because this was like half my order right here. Because the Tarte Shape Tape was half off. It was like $12. And then the, one thing was only $5. So I spent my money on this. Because it came with the plastic case. And I bought this separate. Because, like, on the box I showed you, it shows they go on there and you snap it on your eyelid. Psych. Psych. I watched 2 videos on it. They actually made it look pretty easy. Now, the one video I watched, she kind of had trouble. And she ended up cutting hers. But you can't cut these. There's only 2 magnets. So, if you cut the inside or cut the outside, one of the sides is going to be hanging because it's not going to be no magnet. So I don't know, give it a shot. I don't even know. There has to be an easier way, but right now I do not have the time. I've seriously been sitting here for over a half an hour trying to put these on. And first I did my right eye, then I did my left eye, and she even left the what the heck. So, you know, I don't know. I'm more excited for this because yes, I can wash my face and came with this little scrubber. I thought that was cool. But and my Shape Tape, this and this. It even came with this, which this one that came with doesn't have the things inside. But it don't matter because this is just as good as this. It didn't do. It's like, yeah. You know, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See y'all next time.